What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Appalachian Smoke Wagon. Thanks for clicking. If you don't mind, smash that subscribe button for me. Subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can help the channel right now. Every subscription helps, every like helps, and every comment helps. So if you don't mind, do all the YouTube things and help the channel out. Today we got an unboxing for you of something really, really special. We're gonna unbox it. I got it in the mail today. I'd been in contact with this company since I ran across one of their videos about a month ago on YouTube and was like, wow, that's awesome. And they were like, contact us. We like to work with YouTubers. And I sent an email and was like, yo, I'm just a small little channel, just started like 10 months ago to a year, just a small channel, and I have some AKs and I like some of the stuff you're offering. Maybe we could do something together. And they were like, yeah, absolutely, we'll get you a kit sent out. And here it is. It came. They kept their word. Awesome. But after that initial email with them back and forth, I seen them pop up on some live streams with some bigger YouTubers, and there's a big dramatic story behind this trigger that I had no idea about. So it's really wild. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to hear that story from me. If not, you can go, matter of fact, go subscribe to their channel. It's Alpha Tactical Systems, and Alpha is spelled A-L-F-A. Alpha Tactical Systems. Go give them a subscribe. They're an Australian family that have moved to Texas. I hope I'm getting this all right. An Australian family moved to Texas. They love America. They love freedom. They love making gun parts. And go subscribe to them. They're good people. Alpha Tactical Systems. So they were making parts for a trigger for the AK. I'm not sure what I can say on YouTube and what I can. It's a, we'll just call it a super semi-auto trigger. A really fast trigger for the AK. And it's actually not a trigger, it's a kit. And it kind of works different with every AK that you put it in. It works in some. You have to modify it to get it to work in others. But I got one. It's called the M.A.R.S.Trigger. And I'm going to unbox it here for you today. Once again, thanks, Alpha Tactical Systems. You guys are awesome. I hope to get this thing installed and working. Hopefully by Sunday I can get to the range and get some footage. Now I know YouTube doesn't allow this stuff on YouTube, so once I get it installed and get it working, I'm going to try to figure out a way to show it without getting a strike on my channel. So, but we're going to unbox it now and see what all it comes with. This trigger actually won the gold medal for innovation on the AK platform at TriggerCon 2024, and that's a pretty big deal. So it comes in a branded box, as you can see. Alpha Tactical Systems, www.M.A.R.S.Trigger.com, info@M.A.R.S.Trigger.com. Go check out Alpha Tactical Systems on YouTube and give them a subscribe. Tell them Appalachian Smoke Wagon sent you. Okay, we got a sticker or a decal. M.A.R.S. triggers, AK-47 FRT reset system. We make lasting 4 seconds cool. I like it. That's a cool decal. Thanks, guys. All right, there's a code here, a scan code for installation videos. So nice packaging for a parts kit. Looks like the kit includes, it's all bagged up all nice. We're going to dump everything out here. All right, these are the bars. It looks like one comes pre-bent and the other one is straight, I guess, in case you need different bends. These are called the trip bar and a spare. Comes with 2 of those. They actually send you a Romanian single hook trigger. I'm not going to say the price or anything on here. Go check out their YouTube and their website for pricing. It's actually a lot more budget friendly than what the other guy was charging for these. It's like less than half of what they were charging, I'm pretty sure. It comes with let's see, I got some notes here. Kit includes retainer plate, trigger cam, which I'm assuming is one of these, trip bar and spare, an AK selector, which I'm guessing is one of these, which actually goes on the selector, the Romanian single hook trigger, and it says AK recoil buffer, which I don't need anyways because what I'm going to install it in already has a buffer. I plan on installing it in the NAC 9, the 9mm Luger AK. I plan on putting it in this because this thing shoots so soft. It's just going to be awesome. Trust me. Wait till I get the video out, and I can't wait to get this in and try it out. It's going to be so awesome. Yeah, I think this is one of the first of its kind. Super semi-automatic trigger for the AK platform. And like I said, it's not any kind of drop-in trigger. It's a box of parts, and you have to make it work with your firearm. So if you are mechanically inclined any, which I work on all my firearms. I'm not a gunsmith, but I did stay in a Holiday Inn Express last night, so I guess that qualifies me. But we're going to get this thing installed. I have work the next few days, long hours. In between that, I'm going to try to get this thing installed and working. And then I'm going to get a video made. Gravy Train and I are going to try to go to the range Sunday. We have like a foot of snow outside right now, but I don't care to go shoot in the snow. I actually kind of enjoy it. But we're supposed to get some like 0 and below 0 temperatures coming up. And if it's 0 or below 0, I think I'll stick around the house until it warms up just a little bit. But hopefully we can get decent enough weather to where I can get this installed and go make a video and show you guys. So that's it. That's the kit, box of parts. I don't want you guys to think that this is any kind of drop-in trigger. It's not. It's a box of parts, and you have to use your mechanical ingenuity to make it work. And I'm going to work on that over the next couple nights and try to get this baby working. And I think this thing will be so much fun to blast. This thing will be like a bullet hose. Should be able to hold it right on target. It's going to be really cool. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, go follow Alpha Tactical Systems on YouTube. They're Australians that moved to Texas. I know I done said all that, but they seem like some really cool dudes, down to earth, that really love freedom and love America. So I will support anyone that loves freedom, and I will tell you guys to go support anyone that loves freedom as well. So yeah, really cool product. Gold medal award winner, TriggerCon 2024 for innovation on the AK platform. Really cool deal. I'm super excited about this. I think I've been talking circles, but this is what you get in the kit. and I'm not sure if you have to use this retainer pin, or I'm going to go watch some videos and just kind of get an idea on the installation of this. I would love to be able to show you guys the installation on YouTube, but YouTube frowns upon that, and my channel is not anywhere near big enough to buck the rules, so I'm going to try to follow the rules and install it. I may film it, the installation, and just not put it on YouTube, maybe put it on another platform at some other time, but yeah, stay tuned. M.A.R.S. triggers, we make less than 4 seconds cool. That's pretty dope, pretty sick. I like these guys. Thanks again, Alpha Tactical. You guys are awesome. You guys come through.